Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you. So now defining and calling functions. Let's learn how to define and use functions in Python. The basic syntax involves using the def keyword followed by the function name and parenthesis. Here is a simple example. We are creating a function greet. How? Def, then space, then the function name, then the parenthesis, and then provide a colon. So let's write here print hello world. This defines a function named greet, and the code inside runs only when we call the function. So this was a function definition. We defined it. Now, how to call a function? To use the function, we simply call it using its name with parenthesis, like greet. Python will then run the code inside the function. Next, function with parameters. Yes, friend, you can make functions dynamic by using parameters. Say for example, we can rewrite the previous function like this. Def greet, and it accepts a parameter, say name. Next, while printing, print, how we can use variable inside f string? Yes, print f within quotes hello, comma, inside curly braces, name. Alright, now it greets any name passed to it. This increases the flexibility of your code. Next, return function. Yes, function with return value. You can also return values from a function. Let's create a function add, which accepts two parameters, a and b, and it returns the sum of it. So def add a comma b, return a plus b. Using return lets the function send back a result you can store or display. You will be more familiar with it when we are going to use it more and more. Alright, so that's it for this lecture. See you in our next lecture where we will take a look at function arguments and return. Yes, we are going to dive more into it. Alright, see you there.